Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I haven't done videos. I haven't been too much in social media, just watching movies and stuff. I have been for 2 days kind of sick. And not only because of the cold, which I'm not coughing or anything, it's just it takes my throat in and kills it. And because of my hand. As you can see, this hand is not that good. And right there you see that little bump there. Well, when this get all swelled up, as you can see these two fingers right here, these two, they go through pain. So what happens? I have to take pills, to calm down the swollenness. And when the swollenness goes down, then I get better. So today, as you can see, it doesn't look like nothing. But I would have showed you yesterday, I couldn't do this. It was very painful. So, for 2 days I've been taking medication to calm down the swollenness, and it worked pretty good. So I already know my body. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you, that's just a little, little tips. Now what I want to show you is this. These are cilantros. Okay, do you think these are cilantros that I put seeds in it? Nope. Did I buy it? Nope. I bought it. Well, I did buy it. I bought the one that comes in a bag, for you to consume. Then you throw out the rest. Well, you know that has in the bottom like I don't know, it's like a spongy dirt type of thing. And I was planting it with that, and it killed it. It wouldn't grow. So I said, what if I take all that junk out and just plant it with the seeds, with the roots, with its own roots, with nothing on it. So I did that. I put it, cleaned it all out, washed all that stuff out, and then I planted it. And look how beautiful it is growing. There's a few of them here. There's like, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them here. And in the back I got 3 more. So it's 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, 12. Which is great. This is how you could do. If you're going to buy cilantro, try to use the roots of it and try to plant it. But take all that stuff that, I don't know if over there in the States they do it, but over here it has like a little square thing that holds the roots there. So I take that out very carefully so I don't mess up the root as much as possible. So I tried taking it out, and then I plant it, and look how beautiful. So this one only has like, I think it's 3 days. Like 3 or 4 days, the max. We bought this for cooking. But look how beautiful. You could do that too. And you save yourself a lot of money. You'll be recycling what you already have. So why throw it out? Try it. See if it grows. Another thing that I want to do is this. This is my next project. Garlic. For years, I've been dying to grow garlic. It don't grow to me. I don't know why. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it differently. These garlics, I'm going to put sand on it. Sand. Yeah, sand. I'm going to put sand on it. Mix it with some regular dirt and a little bit of compost plus vitamins. And I'm going to plant them. But I'm not going to plant them outside because here it rains a lot. It just rained. It's been raining for 2 days. It stopped a little bit. I don't know if you can see how wet the floor is. And it dried pretty fast because the sun came out. But, how you call it? That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it in a canister right here in my balcony. In an area that when the sun comes in, it could help it, to get sun and everything. The problem with this is that they be so long. I think like 8 months or 7 months to grow. It is very hard. But I'm just going to plant these 10 only. That I took it out. It's not going to cost me much because it came in this canister. The balls. I made a whole stack of garlic. Minced garlic. Like I said, I like cooking easy way, not the hard way. So I already got the minced garlic in my refrigerator. All I do is take a spoon, put it to the rice, put it to the food, the meat. And I don't have to chop anything or dirty up everything. No. I just take one little spoon and drop it in there. That's how I like working. So I want to see if I could use these 3 These 10. These were a pack. I think it was 4 packs for $1. You know, the whole bowl. And I think it was 4 or 5 of them for $1. So I bought 2 of them, 2 canisters. So now I'm gonna use these. These were the biggest ones. Some of them were very small. I didn't want to use them, but these are the biggest ones. So I take the 10 best big ones, and I'm gonna be planting this sometime. I won't be able to do it today because it's real wet outside. And you know my wheelchair. You know how anybody who has a wheelchair knows that when you go in that water, then you come inside the house, you leave those, I call it, skid marks all over the place. Whew, and then to clean it up is a hassle. So I'll be waiting for it to get cleaner and I call it drier. And then I'm going to get some sand and I'm going to do these. And I'm going to show you how you do it. That'll probably be sometime next week. So God bless you all. Until next time. And look, you could do these. You could do these, you know. This pepper, I'm going to show you, like, this pepper was made from a seed. I cooked the pepper, and then I saved the seeds. You cook the pepper, you buy the pepper, you cut whatever you're going to cut, wash the seeds, and put them to dry. And you could just plant it and get it right there. I'm waiting for these to come out. This one hasn't come out, and this one. And I don't know if they're going to come out like in the summertime, because it's been a little chilly, not freezing, because here they don't freeze, but it's been a little bit chilly for them. So I think that's the problem. So I should have covered them so they could grow. This is the only one that grew. So anyway, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.